Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have edit or contribute permissions on the Sharepoint site. Once you do, open the specific document library or page where the video will live. Make sure your MP4 or supported file is ready and named clearly. This helps search later. Next, click New or Upload, depending on whether you add to a page or library, and choose the video file. As you upload, watch progress indicators so you know the file finished transferring before proceeding. Now that the file is in place, decide whether to embed or keep it in the library. If you edit the page, add the file viewer or stream web part and select the uploaded video. This ensures inline playback. Once selected, configure playback options. Turn autoplay off for accessibility, choose a poster image for the thumbnail, and confirm sharing settings. Also set file-level permissions so viewers can stream but not edit. Finally, save the page and test playback as a signed-in user to confirm visibility. To finish, publish the page or copy the direct link from the library and share it with intended viewers. Once done, test playback using another account or an incognito window to verify access. If the video won't play, make sure the file format is supported and file size isn't blocked by site limits. Clear the browser cache and retry. If viewers still report errors, recheck item-level permissions and, as needed, re-upload the file using a different file name. This often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.